Right now, your agent is smart, but it's empty. It doesn't know your business. Let's give it a brain. Head over to the Source tab. This is where you upload your knowledge base. You have 3 ways to train your agent. First, URLs. Just paste a link to your website or a help article. We'll scrape the text from that page, so your agent knows exactly what's on your site. Second, files. You can upload PDFs, Word docs, or CSVs. Imagine uploading your entire employee handbook or your price list. Chat reads the text instantly. Third, Q&A. This is for specific questions that might not be in your documents. Perfect for things like Wi-Fi passwords or gate codes. Keep an eye on your character credit. Free plans get 100,000 characters. If you have a lot of data, grabbing a premium license unlocks unlimited memory. Now watch this. We ask the same question, and boom, it pulls the answer directly from the source that we inserted before. Your agent is smart, but does it have style? Click the next video to learn how to give your agent a unique personality.